जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल रियो द येलो पैरेट को।
I caught Rio sneaking into Fruto Treats jar. I guess he has eaten quite a few. And he is quite happy to eat more. Just look at that concentration. Rio, next time that jar will be out of your reach.